23 अगस्त को पहली बार राष्ट्रीय अंतरिक्ष दिवस मनाए जाने पर केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा, पिछले साल इसी दिन भारत ने चंद्रमा के दक्षिणी हिस्से में चंद्रयान 3 उतार कर इतिहास रच दिया था। यह हमारा पहला राष्ट्रीय अंतरिक्ष दिवस है। यह न केवल जश्न मनाने का दिन है, बल्कि आत्मचिंतन और भविष्य की रूपरेखा तैयार करने का भी दिन है। हमने कार्यक्रम को इसी के अनुसार तैयार करने और इसे भविष्य की दृष्टि से अकादमिक दृष्टिकोण देने का प्रयास को अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्र में उपलब्धियों से अवगत कराने का भी अवसर है। एक तरह से यह ऐसा अवसर है जो हर नागरिक के दिल को छूता है। नई नीति आने और अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्र के उदारीकरण के साथ हमने पिछले 3-4 वर्षों में इस क्षेत्र में लंबी छलांग लगाई है। जैसा कि वित्त मंत्री ने बजट में घोषणा की है, हम अगले 10 वर्षों में अंतरिक्ष अर्थव्यवस्था में 5 गुना वृद्धि करेंगे।
Thank you, Dr. Shantanu. I think there's nothing much to add to what has already been said. As all of us know, on this day last year, the 23rd of August, India made history by landing one of its missions and becoming for the first in the world to have landed on the south pole of moon, the Chandrayaan 3. And all of us, of course, watched it, and Prime Minister joined us from his overseas trip, congratulated the scientists, and then also made the announcement that this date will be commemorated every year as National Space Day. And this significantly happens to be the first National Space Day being observed by us. And therefore we wish to do it in a manner that is befitting of the occasion. And I would rather say that it's not only a day of celebration, it's also a day of reflection and retrospection, and also of a roadmap charting for the future. So we have also tried to formulate the program accordingly, given it an academic outlook with a futuristic vision. And as was being said by Dr. Shantanu, it's also an occasion to make the citizens aware, the youngsters particularly aware of the achievements done in the space sector in the last few years. And somehow, or rather I would go to the extent of saying that because of the successful landing of Chandrayaan, it's not only the interest in space which has generated all across the country. Suddenly there's a huge amount of interest in science, technology, innovation, startup across the sectors. So, and to that extent, while we have stakeholders with space technology everywhere, because space technology has virtually entered every Indian household in one way or the other, I think even those who have no stake with space technology also feel involved in this, because that gives them a sense of esteem that it has put India as a frontline nation. So in a way, this is an occasion which touches the heart of each and every citizen, regardless of whether he has anything to do with space technology or not. So that also gives us an advantage and an opportunity to reach out to the citizens. They are very receptive to this, to what is happening or what's going to take place on this day. And as he said, with the new policy coming in, the liberalization of the space sector, we have now made a quantum leap in the last 3-4 years. We were just one-digit startup, now we are nearly 300. And as the finance minister announced in our budget, we are going to be having a 5-time increase in the space economy over the next 10 years, from $8 billion to nearly $44 billion. So I think that's also a future vision for 2047, as space economy becomes an important component of the future Indian economy.